I want to share with you 2 quick tips if you want to bring in more coaching and consulting clients, and especially if you want to bring in higher value clients. The first thing is there is nothing more powerful than social proof. This is sharing testimonials, sharing the results that you are getting with your clients. Nothing will magnetically pull people to want to work with you more than when they can see the results that you're helping other people get. So toot your horn, get it out there, put it out there. And if you're working with companies or people who don't feel comfortable or do not want their competition to know that they've been working with you, and they don't want their name out there in lights, and they don't want those results out there in lights under their company, then you can create a case study. You just keep them anonymous, but you can still give all of the ins and outs of exactly what you did with this client, where they were, how you worked with them, and then what the results were. And case studies can be extremely compelling as well, because when you walk people through in great detail what you did with people, they can see that you know what you're doing. And that's really what all of this is about anyway, is showing people that you know what you are doing and that you're truly the expert at what you do. Okay, so that's tip number 1, social proof. Tip number 2 is educate your audience. Do not keep your system, your process, the way you work with clients a secret. If you keep it a secret, you'll miss out on sales. One of the things that I hear over and over again when people decide to work with me is they'll even tell me, I interviewed 5 or 6 or 7 other coaches, but when I would get on a call with them, they couldn't really tell me how they would work with me. They couldn't really tell me the process that I would be going through with their services to get the results that I want. And so don't be afraid to educate people on exactly how you help. When you do this, you will actually compel more people to want to work with you, because it will make your process, your system, your coaching, your consulting seem more tangible to people. And there's nothing that, again, will influence them to want to buy more when they can peek behind the curtain and see exactly what it is you're going to help them do. So don't keep it a secret. Get it out there, put it out there. And by all means, when you're on sales calls with people, walk them through step by step how you can help them. They're still not going to get all the details, because that's what it means to work with you, right? But you can still do the high-level steps with them and show them the high-level process that you can take them through to get them right to the results that they're looking for. If you need help bringing in more clients or more high-end clients into your coaching or consulting business, this is just one of the things I do when I help people scale their business into multiple 6 and even 7 figures with high-end clients. So you can book a call with me at carden.com, or if you want to bring in high clients, then you can go to my workshop and apply to come to that next one, and go to expertinyouworkshop.com. You have an amazing day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.